Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to disable replies on Instagram stories. So watch this video till the end. If you have just uploaded an Instagram story and you are receiving a lot of spam comments, you might wish to disable replies. Fortunately for all of us, Instagram let us turn off replies whenever we want. So without further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Settings. On Settings page, tap Privacy. On Privacy page, tap the Story. Scroll down to Allow Message Replies. Select Off. So, this is how you can disable replies on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.